So today we're visiting Madeleine's place. She's helping out on a farm where she's taking care of a house and some Airbnb stuff. And it's so beautiful here. And now the dogs are meeting us. We're all about nature today on this farm. It's so amazing. They have dogs, they have cats, they have horses, cows, and probably a lot of more animals we haven't seen yet. But
we haven't seen a koala yet.
The koala is here somewhere, but we haven't seen it. Okay, I just packed my suitcase and my bag, and I'm getting ready to go to Sydney on Tuesday, and today it's Sunday, so it's gonna be really nice. But first I'm going to Melbourne again.
Sætter dem ligesom op, hvordan den skal være i deres tidspunkt.
Ja, de editor.
Yes.
Byen kan man se sådan. Men det er ikke bare på siden eller?
See ya! Tak! I just love pharmacies, and even more when you bring a doctor with you. It's just amazing. It's you can do whatever you want in here and have a good time.
It's easy to say, it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way of me escaping. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here, taking me through it all. I let my guard down when you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being somebody you love.
great time hanging out with Simone. And tomorrow I am exploring Melbourne by myself, and hopefully it's gonna be great. And also I need to get some more massages in there to make me feel a little bit better. I still have some back problems, but it's way better than it was some days ago. So sleep tight.